the Minotaur. I will kill it or killed by it.
I'll supply the ships you will be taking to Crete with white and black sails. Return with the white if you have killed the Minotaur. If you return with the black, I will presume that you will be dead.
Yes, Father. Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
How about now?
No.
Are we there yet?
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 Yes.
Move aside, girl.
No, it is too dangerous. No one has ever survived the maze.
Why?
Because people either get lost or they are slain by the Minotaur.
I am here to slay the Minotaur. But what advice do you have for me?
Even if you slay the Minotaur, you won't find your way out. Here, take this ball of yarn. I shall give it to you if you promise to take me to another island.
I shall. Thank you, Fair Maiden.
Finally, Theseus reached a dark passageway.
I am here to fight the Minotaur. Where is he? Ah! No! Ah! I'll break his neck! Yes, I am the victor! I have won! Now I must go back to my father!
Is this the island you promised to take me to?
Yes, my love. As I promised, here's the island.
Thank you. I'm tired from all that sailing. Let's go to sleep.
Yes, me too.
Wait for me!
I never even liked you.
Oh no, the black sails! No! No! I shall kill myself now. Get slain by the Minotaur. Okay.
No, it's not.
They are slain by the